If you've been in the business world long enough, you've certainly heard someone say it. You can't manage what you can't measure. The saying may be a cliche, but there's truth behind it. Executives and managers depend on metrics to steer the business. Salesforce Analytics puts it all right at their fingertips. So a real-time view of sales, marketing, customer service, and everything else that's critical to the business is available with a click. And because busy executives never know where the next challenge will come from, it's easy to customize Salesforce reports and dashboards, or even create entirely new ones, all without pestering the IT department.
Well, I actually lived without Salesforce for a long time, and it was pretty miserable. I'd go back to spreadsheets, probably have inaccurate data. What I really like about it, and I probably would never want to give up, is the fact that all the information's in real time. So I can see, we run television ads, and I can see the responses come in through Salesforce, and that part just makes it exciting to watch.
Salesforce gives sales executives and managers much-needed visibility into what's happening across the business, anywhere in the world, at any time. Real-time customizable dashboards provide an instant view of everything you care about. Like pipeline by stage, so you can see how this quarter's deals are progressing, and competitive win rates, so you get insight into which competitors you need to watch out for. You can keep an eye on top deals, how close your teams are to quota, lead conversion rates, and so on. All the data is up to the minute. There's no lag between your teams entering numbers and that same data immediately appearing in your dashboard. You can set parameters that call attention to things that are red flags, and you only have to click to drill into the numbers to find more and figure out if you need to take action. Forecasting is so critical for sales execs, and it's usually a big source of headaches. But with Salesforce, you'll forecast revenue with confidence, and you can easily customize it for how your company forecasts, whether that's by product, by geography, by group, or something else. Dashboards like the ones we just saw give you a high-level overview, but the nitty-gritty details are all there too. For example, you can drill into the opportunities behind a particular manager's forecast so you can do a reality check. You can even override his forecast if you have your doubts. Protecting the integrity of the forecast and having confidence in the numbers is just that simple. Marketing ROI analysis has traditionally involved a lot of manual work, complicated spreadsheets, and plenty of intuition and anecdotal evidence.
Not anymore. Salesforce finally puts definitive ROI measurement within easy reach, and everything is real time. Salesforce shines a spotlight on the activities that generate the most revenue, tracking every marketing lead through the complete sales process for automatic ROI analysis of each campaign. Now you can make sure that every marketing dollar is spent on the activities that have the biggest impact. Out-of-the-box reports give you visibility into response rates, lead generation, and the pipeline and revenue associated with your campaigns. You can customize these reports or create new ones with point-and-click ease.
Busy executives love Salesforce's customizable dashboards for an at-a-glance real-time look at the complete marketing picture. Your view of marketing's impact on the business doesn't get any clearer than this.
Improving customer satisfaction and loyalty is a huge priority for service organizations. That's a given. But what are also critically important are the metrics and key performance indicators that are the lifeblood of customer service management. Salesforce gives executives and managers up-to-the-minute information. They can point and click to design the precise reports they need and change them later as their needs evolve. So they'll always have all the data needed to make adjustments to keep the organization operating at top efficiency and providing superior customer service. Customizable dashboards give a real-time view of key metrics for service quality, operations, agent performance, and even analysis of customer issues. Everything you need to track is available at a glance. You'll see how busy your agents are, where staffing adjustments need to be made, and what types of issues are taking longest to resolve. You'll adapt service processes as necessary as you analyze trends in first contact resolution rates, response times, and other quality metrics. All that and much more is right there in your Salesforce dashboard. and you can add and subtract elements and make other customizations as your needs evolve. You can drill in and run detailed reports to proactively head off problems and identify common issues so you can keep striving to provide even better customer service.
Too often, channel sales managers and executives are flying blind. In many organizations, it's simply impossible to get timely data about the pipeline, partner performance, and competitive trends. And an integrated forecast across direct and indirect channels? That's the stuff of fairy tales. Well, the hero of this story is Salesforce, where everything you need to know is just a few mouse clicks away. Our simple-to-use dashboards and reports show you exactly where your business is coming from, how your coverage model is shaping up, and which partners are your top performers. Salesforce includes easy-to-use analytic tools so that managers can get a deeper understanding of the strengths and weaknesses in your channel program and make changes that will boost revenue. For example, you can use Salesforce to run a win-loss analysis. And if you see that a partner has lost several deals to a certain competitor, you can step in to better arm your partner to successfully sell against them moving forward. Or if they're losing on price, you can authorize a deeper discount to get them back on track. At the executive level, it's finally possible to get a single forecast for all your sales across your own internal teams and your partners. Salesforce makes inaccessible or siloed data a thing of the past.
The analytics for each of the Salesforce apps give you lots of ways to look at and report on your data. If you want to explore additional ways to slice and dice that data, look into the analytics developed by partners as well. For example, there's an app for displaying values in bar charts, so it's always clear what you're talking about. Or check out the solution for creating exception reports. With this app, you can show relationships based on what is not true. That means a rep could do something like display top accounts with opportunities that don't have products associated with them. For all of your Salesforce CRM applications, see how the analytics solutions created by partners give you advanced reporting and business intelligence. It's a chance to get an even deeper insight about what's going on in your business so you can spot problems early on and be ready to jump on new opportunities.